multi-choice for sending us this package. So let's see what we got first. So first we have these Squish Ums, the Poop X3, and we have some LOL surprise dolls. And we have these pillow sequins. That's super cool. Reversible.
Hey, what's up? I'm Kimchi, and I also want to show you guys what's in the package too. So let's see. We also have these Hello Kitties and Friends egg. And then we have this Gudatama, and it's saying meh. And then we have more Hello Kitties. So let's start the video. Alright guys, I am back. I hope you guys didn't mind my dogs taking over my channel for a bit. So let's start off with these LOL surprise. And there's 2 bows inside. 1 bow for you, 1 for your BFF. So let's start by opening these up. Oh, so we have this blue bow. Oh, and it's also got like the little LOL dolls right there. And then, oh wow. Okay, so look at this bow. It's like Hi Babe and Royal Excited. Wow. And then this one's just the LOL dolls in a circle. Oh, they're mermaids. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so moving on to the next ones. Oh, we got the same bows. I'm gonna keep going. Oh, wow. So it's like an ombre bow with a bunch of dolls on it. And then we have a pink bow. So let's keep opening. I wonder if we can like maybe put these on Mochi and Kimchi. That'd be so adorable. They'd probably not like it though. Alright. And then the last ones. Ooh, another ombre. From pink, or blue and pink. And then we got a pink bow with a bunch of dolls. So moving on to the Jojo Sequin pillow keychain, and it's made by Nickelodeon. And these would be perfect for like your purse, backpack, that kind of stuff. So let's open it up. So there's like different oh wow. Ooh, wow. So you can get different shapes. There's like a unicorn, bow, heart, star, and then a donut and a heart, star, and a bow. So that's really cool. And so it looks like we got a black and yellow star. And then on the back, it has like the little star, I mean a heart. So that's really cute. Alright. Okay, so it looks like we got another star. And this one is pink and blue. And then it's got the velvet on the back. Oh, it's really soft. Super cute. Oh my! Oops. It looks like we got a heart. Oh my! Wow, look at that. It's a rainbow one. And then when you flip it, it's like a silver. So it looks like it's rainbow on one side. And then on the other side, it's like holographic. Really cool. Wow, this one's really pretty. Alright. So here's the second to last. And we got a bow. So this one goes from, let me see, gold to purple. Oh, even the middle changes. Oh, wow. It's like the opposite color. So that's really cute. And then moving on to the last one. Oh, so we got another star. We got one right here. So these would make great additions to your purse, backpack, and stuff like that. Alrighty, so moving on to these Gudatama eggs and Hello Kitty eggs. So I'm gonna just open a few. So let's see, let's start off with the Gudatama, and it's super cute. Gudatama's a lazy egg, he's saying meh. to collect us all. I'm not really sure what is inside of these, but it's gonna be really cool. Okay, so I think we're supposed to. Ooh. Oh. They're little plushies. Oh, they're so cute. What is this? Oh, I need a. Oh, here's the checklist. So I got the Gudatama 9. I think it's like a little fish. Oh yes, he is a little fish. Oh, that's so adorable. So cute. Oh, so soft too. Alright, so let's open another one up. Oh, there we go. See what we got? Oh my gosh. Oh, I think this is just regular Gudatama with nothing. It's just the Gudatama yolk. We got Gudatama 1. Yep, Gudatama 1. Hey guys, so I realized that you can put the Gudatamas back in their little eggshells, and then when you close them up, their little faces popping out, and it's so adorable. So let's put them back in. Make sure not to lose them. There we go. Perfect. Alright, so on to the Hello Kitties. Oh, okay. Let's see what character we got. Oh, we got, let's see. So they're actually like numbered. They don't even have the names. Oh no, actually this one does have the names. Okay, so we got, oh, so we got Hello Kitty. Alright, so let's put her back. Oh, it's so cute. That's like a really clever idea. And guys, these would be perfect for Easter gifts. Because it's so cute. Get that open. Oh, let's see. Oh, I think I know who we got. I need the, let's see. We got Choco Cat. Choco Cat. Oh, these are so soft. Alright, put them there. Close it up. Oh, oops. Gotta get all of its ears in. Oh, there we go. Alright, so on to the last items. So for the last items, we got these Squish Ums Poop Head series. So we're saving the best for last, and these look super cool. And it says, we are still rising squishies. Oh, and it says, find the rare magical unicorns. Ooh, that's exciting. So let's open them up. Oh, there's actually a tearing thing over here. Oh my goodness. Whoa, what type of poo is that? Let's see, I think we got honey. So I think it's a honey bear. I don't really smell anything, but it's so cute. Wow, this one's really surprising. Alright, so on to the next one. Ooh. Oh, let's see what we got. Cuddles. So here's Cuddles. Put them right there. Alright, on to the next one. We got one of the rare poops. Let's see which one this is. Okay, so we got Bubble. bubbles. Oh, that's so cute. Yes, the rare unicorns. Super cool. Alright, so let's open the next one. Oops. That was a fail. We got Ziggy. Oh, it's like a little zebra. Oh. Super cute. Alright guys, so here is the last one. Let's see who we got. Oh my, oh my, oh my. It kind of exploded. Another unicorn! We got Moonlight. Oh my gosh, so cute. Wow. It kind of smells like a little bit. I can kind of smell a little chocolate, but I can't really smell like it's kind of really light scented. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much Bullseye Toys for sending us these really cool items. I really love them. And don't forget guys, you can get these at Target in the trading cards section. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite item was. Bye!
I can fly.